headed to Animal Kingdom. Heading over there late today because Matthew did VBS stuff this morning, and then we got going kind of late because last night was rough. I got about 5 hours of sleep, and I didn't get to sleep until about 4:30-ish because this little girl is going through sleep regression right now and did not want to go to sleep at all. But we're almost to Animal Kingdom and I am super excited. It's gonna be fun. We are going on a nighttime safari. I'm so excited, finally. I think we've been at Animal Kingdom a few times and had a fast pass for a nighttime safari a few different times, and we've ended up not doing it. I think one time we changed it to Rivers of Light, which I'm really glad we did that because Rivers of Light was amazing. Even though it's just gonna be a half day at Animal Kingdom, it's gonna be fun. So excited.
Called that before. Is that some new brand?
Neither have I. Look at all the bubbles!
I know, it's a nice little... I'll tell you, the best thing about the rain here is that now...
He's so
So Ciera and McKinnon are sharing some chicken tenders. Are you enjoying those chicken tenders? Yeah. She's got 2 handfuls of chicken tenders. And we're using these cool little Minnie Mouse cover things. You got these at Target, didn't you?
Yep.
And then I got this honey chicken dish that looks really good. It's a lot different than I expected.
That
so
looks really good. I kind of wish I would have got that.
I might share with you. What place is this? I don't even know what it's called.
It's the
it's the quick service version of whatever the restaurant is. Oh, it's Yak Yeti.
Yeah, but it's the quick service version.
I know, it's Yak Yeti Local Food Cafe.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Not the table service Yak Yeti.
Obviously, because we're out of doors right now. So anyway, we're gonna chow down. The crying child. McKinnon. McKinnon. Are you protected from the rain, you weirdo?
Yes.
Can you dance in the rain? Oh my gosh, okay, please stop. I don't know you.
Alright, so we're in Africa, and we have about an hour-ish until our safari. McKinnon is sleeping. And we're just hanging out. The rain has finally stopped.
McKinnon, you want to play a drum? Here, this one right here.
It's wet. She's not gonna want to touch it.
McKinnon. See her retract as soon as she felt the water?
She's like, no.
Hit it.
Hit it. Look how insane my hair is from the rain. Seriously though, look at my hair. Look at how frizzy it is. We have a fast pass for the safari pretty soon here in the near future. But we're gonna go into this sweet shop over here in Africa that we have never been into ever in our entire lives. Out of all the millions of times that we've come to Disney, we have not been here millions of times, but we've been here a lot.
Maybe billions.
And Africa is like my favorite part of Animal Kingdom. So I'm surprised that we've never been in there. But maybe it's because when we come to Africa, I always come here to do like specific things. Go on the safari, go see Lion King, go get like specific things that I want to eat, things like that. Anyway, let's go in this sweet shop. Oh, I think we're gonna post a photo on Instagram. Oh, because for the first time, we found out what they do with the music show when it's raining outside. It still happens. Of course, y'all have already seen in the clip. It still happens, and y'all already know what they do because we filmed it and you've already seen it.
Mind blown.
McKinnon, are you having fun? Are you having a fun day? She's been eyeing the Mickey pretzels over there. When we go on the safari, when we do the stroller parking, we're going to be doing what they're doing a trial run of, the new like zone stroller parking. So we'll have to tell y'all about that. Heard mixed reviews of it. Of course, it's just a trial run, so we don't know if it's gonna last.
Stopped in Zuri Sweets in Africa, and I got this chocolate and peanut butter fudge.
I got the Animal Kingdom 20th anniversary cupcake.
Alright, Jambo everybody. Jambo does mean hello in Swahili, so everyone say Jambo. Hello, my name's Alora. Tonight I'll be your safari guide throughout the Harambe Wildlife Reserve. A whole bloat of Nile hippo. Here on our right hand side, these are the Ankoli cattle. Looks like this one is thinking about crossing the road.
It takes his time.
Yeah. Of course, the animals always have the right of way, so we'll let it cross. Now, these are the only domestic animals that we'll see on today's safari. They weren't actually domesticated for their meat or their dairy, but actually because they're considered to be a symbol of wealth here in Africa. They're also sometimes called Watusi cattle, after the Watusi tribe, which was the first to domesticate them about 2,000 years ago. Now also coming up here on our right hand side, you're going to be able to see a little antelope with the white bellies.
We've got a little blinking light on the stroller now, so it's much easier to keep track of Ciera. You notice the blue blinking on the ground. It's perfect.
We are now in Pandora. I almost said Avatar.
And now, tell us where we're going.
Where are we going?
I don't know, aren't we looking for pins?
Yeah, we need to go to the front of the park to look at pins, and then...
To the front of the park?
Well...
I guess it's kind of the front, it's near the exit,
Yeah,
so
it's near the
Pandora's
exit.
pretty close to it though.
Yeah, Pandora's close to it. Let's look at pins, and then pick up what we bought earlier today, because we had it sent to the front of the park so we wouldn't have to carry it around. Pro
Which is
tip.
brilliant.
Yeah, because who wants to carry around a bunch of stuff? Especially when you go on rides and stuff.
Yeah, and leaving it in a stroller or, yeah.
Here's our little
Oh yeah, so
tag.
when we went on the safari, we had stroller parking in zone 1,
Yeah.
which is kind of nice. Oh wow. Oh, for your remainder of your stay, keep it on the stroller and park in the corresponding zone. Huh.
But here's the thing. You can remove this tag
Yeah.
and get a different tag when you go to a different ride.
Yeah, I don't know why you have to save it. I mean, I guess you could just save it so that they're saving the environment and paper, you know, Animal Kingdom and all that.
Yeah. So I don't
Oh,
know.
we're not.
And they're paper tags, so they rip off really easily.
Yeah, well, they're paper tags because plastic is bad, but also if it's raining, it's going to ruin every tag because the stroller parking is
Today,
not covered.
there were a ton of them on the ground.
Yeah, I don't know what's better, the stroller tags, or I don't know. I don't know how to make that right.